Did you know that there are many misconceptions and myths about women's weight loss? Well, in this video, we're going to be going over 5 of these misconceptions or myths about weight loss and what we can do instead so that we can make our weight loss journey more effective. So let's get into it. One of the first misconceptions about women's weight loss is that losing weight is impossible for women. While there are many different factors that play into women losing weight, the concept of losing weight for women is in fact not impossible. With the right approach to your diet, exercise routine, stress levels, managing your sleep, you can really change your life around and change your lifestyle so that it will be more suitable for you to lose weight. So paying attention to all those different factors can help you to see more results and help you reach a transformation more effectively. Now, our second misconception about women's weight loss is that you have to work out all the time. We get told this a lot as women, but when we're trying to lose weight, it is a fact that losing weight as women is more harder than it is for men, but we definitely don't need to be working out all of the time to see results. Just committing to at least 30 minutes to an hour is still going to help us see those results that we want, and doing something rather than nothing is going to make a big change in your life, even if it's just 5 minutes. Any time that you're committing to yourself is really going to help you to benefit yourself in the long run, and that is exactly what we want. Our third misconception or myth is that we have to eat very little to lose weight. This, in fact, is not true, and over-exercising and eating very little, that combination can again create a lot of stress on the body, and you will most likely not be able to stick to that plan and end up binge eating in the end, which is gonna give you a wave of guilt and shame, which leads you back into that cycle of binge and restrict. So making sure that you're getting enough calories and eating enough help you perform throughout the day and get in enough fuel for your workouts is going to make you feel so much better. Fourth myth or misconception about women's weight loss is that workout is supposed to be seen as a punishment. Working out is supposed to help us feel good inside and out, and when we feed into that idea that a workout is supposed to be seen as a punishment, typically for something that we shouldn't have been eating, we're giving into those bad habits of constant working out, and that can lead into an unhealthy mindset within ourselves. Our last misconception is that you cannot incorporate any sort of cheat day or balance into your journey. When we are making our meal plan, it's very important that yes, we want to make sure that we're eating more healthier foods and we're getting enough calories, but we also need to understand that as humans, we are not perfect, and incorporating some form of balance for eating soul food is actually going to help us to encourage us that it's okay to live a little. So incorporating some form of a cheat day is going to help us to stay consistent and stay on track without feeling that guilt and shame from those unrealistic expectations that we put on ourselves. Now that I was able to help you understand all of the myths and misconceptions about women's weight loss, the next thing that I want you to focus on is how your hormones affect your weight loss journey. And actually, I just made a video on some of the ways in how estrogen can actually impact your weight loss by increasing your stress levels, increasing appetite, and increasing mood swings, which all affect your fat loss journey overall.